Right, so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GUI button that, when pressed, will teleport you to somewhere in your game. So the first thing we need to do is make the GUI itself. So we need to go over into the Explorer here, hover over Start a GUI and click the plus. And then we're going to add a screen GUI. And then we're going to click the plus on the screen GUI again. And we're going to add a text button. Now, I'm not going to decorate this text button very well, but I'm going to double click on it and change the text to teleport. And then I'm going to turn on text scaled, and I'm just going to put it here. Right, the next thing we need to do is add a part to teleport to. So I'm going to add just a little house in somewhere. So let's just add a house, classic house. There we go. Right, and now we've added this house, I'm going to go inside the house and I'm going to insert a part. And now this part's been inserted, I'm happy with the positioning in the house. I'm going to right click on the part in the Explorer and I'm going to click rename, and then I'm going to change the name of it to teleport to me, and then press enter to save that. Right, now we need to actually code the button to make it work. So going back to start a GUI, in screen GUI, text button, click plus on text button and insert a local script. And now I'm just going to go inside this local script. And what we're going to do first is make a reference to this part here. So I'm going to create a variable. So local part equals workspace colon wait for child. And then inside these speech marks, I'm going to put teleport to me, because that's the name of the part that we added earlier. And now I'm going to add an event that fires when the player clicks the button. So how I'm going to do that is script.parent.mouse button one click colon connect function, and then open up the function, and we're going to get the character as the AI is suggesting, and then we are going to say local cframe equals part.cframe plus vector 3.new 0,3,0, and then we're going to say character.humanoid root part.cframe equals cframe. So what this is doing here, oh sorry, one more thing, just change the cframe to a different variable name because cframe is reserved by Roblox. So there we go, that's the end of the script. So how this works is we're creating a variable to reference this part here, and then we're saying script.parent, which is the button, .mouse button one clicked. So when the button is clicked, run this code. And we're saying get the player's character. This is where we want to teleport the character to that position. So now, if I play the game, you can see that if I click this button, teleport, it teleports us into the house. So that was how you add a teleport GUI button in your Roblox game. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.